You think there's a lot of great companies out there, but when you get recognized as being the top one, especially in the industry that we're in, I think it tells people we're not just saying that we do all these things, we actually do them.
I know the kind of leaders we have in the building and how much we care about not only obviously our customers, but our employees as well. And we understand that, happy employees will go out and put the best work out there.
I would say that this is the best workplace. My favorite part about this place is that all the people are really good people and that you can tell that they really care. Everybody's super helpful and there for each other.
It's something that every single employee here lives out, and that comes across through, I think, this award.
I'm not as surprised. We like to have some fun while still getting things done, right? Taking care of customers, redefining the industry, redefining for our employees, and redefining for our customers. So
honestly, I can't say I'm surprised, right? I've loved every minute here at Ayers, and it's just, we're all here to support one another, to do our best and to do our best in our community.
Everyone's putting in 100%, and knowing that I'm on a team that isn't holding back, that's pretty awesome.
It's all about the employees submitting their responses and saying, I love working here. And to know that we have won that 3 years in a row, that's awesome. I love to be a part of it.
My reaction when I first found out that we had won the award was joyful, effusive, this is working. I'm thrilled with the quality of the work and the people that we have on staff. So if you're making a decision about coming to work here, I would say, don't hesitate. Come.